Another one is Licky. Repeat it. Licky.
Licky.
Yeah.
Sometimes you go get ice cream and you licky, you know.
Hi guys, I'm Nayoka.
Hey guys, I'm Brittany.
And welcome to Chairs
And Benches. Woo! So today we're gonna take you out on the road with us, and we're gonna do some interviews. We're gonna ask people some Jamaican words or phrases. We're gonna ask them to repeat it and then tell us what they think it means.
So we'll be asking them a few questions like Wagwan and asking them what's the definition of phrases like butter is girl, or even questions like give me a bag. Alright, so let's go.
Sarah?
I'm Marissa.
My name is McLean. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sydney.
Zach.
Zach?
Monet.
Alan?
Danielle.
I'm Lori, and you are? Jason. Hi guys. Your name is?
Allison.
And where are you from, Allison?
Antigua.
Woo! Alright. So this challenge should actually be really easy for you then.
Hopefully.
Alright, I'm gonna start you off nice and slow with Wagwan.
Greetings, massive. Wagwan, Jamaica.
I mean, what's up? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wagwan, you good? So that's like, I guess, what's up? Like, how are you doing?
Okay. What do you say?
Wagwan, you good? I have no idea what it means.
Wagwan. Okay, that's pretty good. What does that mean?
Wagwan. It means like what's up? Or
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty
I used to hear
good.
that a lot back in Toronto. So.
Exactly. Yeah.
Excited. When you watch people on YouTube, and now it's my turn. Finally.
Yes. Finally, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So the first one is Wagwan.
Wagwan is like hi. Like what? Like Wagwan.
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah.
What's up? All right. So in Jamaica, we have a word called Duffy.
Dumpy.
What do you think it means?
It sounds like it could be like something like expressing a good thing or expressing a bad thing. I can't decide. I'm gonna go with like a good situation, maybe.
A good situation. Okay.
I'm wrong.
I'll probably think, still referring to a child.
A child?
Duffy?
Yeah. What do you think a duppy is?
I have no idea.
Guess.
Something nice.
Something nice?
Yeah.
A lot of people actually say that.
Duffy.
What do you think it means?
Is it like dope?
What?
Dope?
Like dumb.
Dumb?
And your?
I'm Avinash.
The first one is Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Good. And what do you think it means?
I don't know.
No, just try.
What's up?
Yay! That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
That's pretty good. Yeah. That's right. Wagwan.
Wagwan. I don't really know. Maybe a type of food. I don't know.
A type of food? No.
Wagwan.
And what do you think it means?
Water?
What do you think it means?
War.
Wagwan. Any more? Watermelon.
Duffy to me, I think it means like someone's going slow, like they're slow at something.
Okay. Well, it actually means a ghost or spirit in Jamaica.
I mean, Casper is a nice ghost. So it's a good situation.
Casper, the friendly ghost.
He's a child ghost.
Another one is Licky. Repeat it. Licky.
Licky.
Yeah.
Sometimes you go get ice cream and You licky, you know.
You licky. Okay. Repeat it for me.
Anybody ever call you licky? When someone is licky. Repeat it.
Licky. Somebody comes to you and say you're licky.
Yes.
You're hot.
You're hot.
Yeah.
Licky.
Okay, pretty good. What do you think it means?
That's something you say to a baby.
To a baby?
Yeah.
Meaning what?
I don't know.
Oh, you just say licky to a baby?
Nah.
What do you mean when you say it to a baby?
You just say random shit.
What?
Licky, probably like a lollipop, you know, sometimes.
A lollipop.
Licky, a lollipop.
Licky, a lollipop.
No. That's interesting.
Licky, yeah. We just seen upstairs like a lollipop or like ice cream, something like that.
It actually means gluttonous. Yeah.
Eat a lot of ice cream.
You're licky, yeah.
You're gluttonous.
Yes. Okay. Stop prolong the argument.
Stop along the argument.
Yes.
Stop shouting. Like stop the argument is all I hear.
Stop. Wait, what you say?
Stop prolong the argument.
Stop prolong the argument. Yeah, probably like stop arguing.
Top prolong the arguing. I would say
Ice cream.
no. Like just like stop the fighting or something like that.
Stop the fighting.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys that's pretty much it. So stop drawing out an argument. We can
okay.
stop arguing now. Stop prolong the argument.
Oh, stop, continue, like, you know, like finish the whole thing now, you know, that kind of thing, like.
Yeah. You stop arguing.
Stop it, yeah, exactly.
Pretty much. Tandere.
You tan good, you look good. No, maybe not. Just say the thing.
Dege.
I know this. Because I swear I hear Spice say this the other day. Okay, use it in a sentence. Let's see.
If I use it in a sentence, it's gonna give it away.
Like you look good. I don't know.
Say dege.
Dege. I don't know. Dege. I know Dege is a dance.
Dege.
I've heard of.
From Africa, Hollywood.
Yeah. I know Dege the dance. Am I wrong?
Do it.
I don't know how to dance.
No, it actually means one or single, something like you only give me this dege bag, like a single bag, just a small portion.
Okay.
Butter ears gal. What do you think butter is, gal? Repeat it.
Could you put it in a sentence?
Butter ears, gal.
Yeah. What does that mean?
Open your ears.
Repeat it.
Butter is someone that like can't listen, like it goes in one ear, not the other.
Butter ears gal.
Butter ear gal.
What do you think it means? Butter ears gal.
Butter.
What do you think it means?
I have no idea.
Really?
No?
Nothing? No. That girl is a butter ears gal.
She likes to eavesdrop. Butter ears girl.
It actually means a girl that's not well put together.
Really?
Yeah, like she has no ambition and she doesn't look good.
But
She's
I look
very
good.
Dusty.
You're
not a butter ears gal. No, you're not. Give me a bag.
Give me money. I know when I'm into that bag, I'm into the money.
Give me a bug.
Yeah.
Give me a call.
Give you a call. Try again. One more.
It means
a hug.
no, a hug. Actually, that's not. It could probably make sense, but we actually mean, can I have a bag? Just pass a bag. Can I have a bag?
Can I have a bag?
And what do you think it means?
Can I have a bag?
you get it. You guys got it. Kuya.
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 What do you think it means?
Hello?
What do you think it means?
Cool?
Cool.
Kuya?
Mm-hmm.
Could you?
No.
What?
Kuya? Yeah. Kuya. 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 What? I don't know that one. Get Kuya. Yeah. Put it in a sentence like, Kuya, look at this. It's like, hey man, look at this, or something like this. It's like unbelievable or something like that. It means, OMG, look at this.
Okay. Okay.
Kuya.
Kuya.
I feel like I know this. Kuya, oh gosh. Kuya is not coming to me. Kuya, like, something else. Oh my gosh.
Somebody see you?
Yeah.
Or see someone and then they're like, Kuya.
Yeah.
What?
You should get me so off that.
Guess.
Oh, okay, pass for now. I know there's some stuff that would come naturally to me, but I don't know, just because I have to think about it, it just seems like it's, not coming per se, but I mean, Jamaicans and Antiguans do have similar accents, and a lot of times people stop me and say, hey, are you from Jamaica? I'm like, no, but kind of close. Yeah. So,
All right.
Okay, then, no problem.
And
so what's your channel again?
Here it is, Trays and Benches.
Hey guys, we're back.
Yep, we're back.
So that was really fun today, guys. We met a lot of people.
Yeah, and we're really impressed with the people who actually participated, because to be honest, Nova Scotia has no YouTubers, so everybody's like, what the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
It was really, really fun.
And cold.
Yeah, it was high-key cold still. It was really cool.
Really cold.
We're really appreciative of all the people who participated in this video.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So I'd like to go ahead now and encourage you guys to engage more with us, please. We love to hear your feedback. So please hit that like button and comment. Comment, guys, please comment.
Yeah, so the more you guys engage on the videos, the more YouTube will recognize Chairs and Benches, and that's what we want. Yeah. That's the goal. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so guys, just in case I make a part 2 to this video, please comment below questions or phrases that you think I should ask or in the next video.
Yeah.
Tell us what you think. Bye. Thank you so much.